Gora, how you doing? Okay, let me tell you what I need, please. I did put an index.html static page that has only the images that you see, and accordingly, all what I need is that when it goes to the mobile, it doesn't show properly, of course. So when it goes to the mobile, it doesn't show properly. All what I simply need you to do, that's number one. A very simple thing is to make this responsive. For one static page, so this is and it's only images. So I believe it is very simple. I did that before a while ago, actually with another coder, but it was very simple. So just please, when you do that on the laptop, you could still leave this hand at the top. You could put this hand at the very bottom on the on the mobile view, whatever it is, view, and leave this at the very top. So this is at the top left, this is at the top right, and this is at the very top bottom, and those services, and this is at the very top. So top down, those corners images, which is the social media, and this one at the very bottom. In the middle, you could put this in a nice way, one above one, which is the high school, the first, students second, job third, this one fourth, in a nice way. Share and connect, you could put it in in a very simple way at the top. Anyways, make it very neat and nice, please. That's all. Simple as that. For the mobile view, tablets, whatever view. The second thing I need, please, is that when you go like an example under iSchool, the coding you did when it fetched the data in a different language, which is the Arabic, right to left, it works properly. So the environment of the server really has no problem. But this is a coding that I did with another coder. I'm not going to get back to him. As I said, I want to deal with you from now on. Because it's just like what we talked about. I don't blame you for what happened, so I would still want to personally with you still make a business. Because Rena recommended you really much, so I respect Rena, I respect her opinion, and I'm sure you are respect her too. So I'm sure we could do something good together. But personally, between me and you, now the Facebook, now when you share it, it doesn't fit with his code, the other code. That's the problem. Let me just log in first, fast. So now when I want to share, if it's just English, it will work properly. When it is another language, it fetch the data improperly in the title and the content. So the method he is using or he used is not proper. Although the method you used, it's still working properly. So just correct this one line method fetching. That's a very simple thing. Same happened when each ad now has a full page by itself under a file called detail.php, yes. Click on full page now. It opened that specific post or ad. See, it has this, and same thing, just in a different page by itself. And see the problem, the fetching of the other language, man. Whether if you share it or with it in the, it's the same thing. It's just the method that he is fetching the other Arabic or other language. It's a very simple line that you could correct the method of fetching. It works properly. Though when I went to the database, actually, it worked properly there, and it displays properly there. And this is the proof, of course, that when you fetch it you yourself with your method, it's very simple. It does show. So just please correct the fetching of the other language method. Now the third thing is that when you share it on Facebook, really share it on Facebook. Let me show you what happens. If it's an image, it works properly, perfect. If it's a video, though, we talked about this not fetching correctly, so it's done. But what happens is if it's an image, if you click on the image or click on the content, whether the title or the details, it takes me back to the full detailed page, which is I said it's the .php, you know, the one that I clicked, this one, full page. Yeah, when you click on whatever you share, you always come back to this separate page for this specific post. So that does work. Everything works perfect now with this. If it's an image, if it's whatever, it's really good. Only when it's a video. I don't want to have the video to be playable here on Facebook. I just want the image of the video to show, so that people, when they click on the image of that video, it goes back to that page. So I don't want the video itself here. And even playing the video here has a problem. It doesn't work properly. If it's an image I'm sharing, I have no problem. Only with video. So I don't want the video here. I just want a thumbnail of the video itself, so that if you click on it, you come back to that page. Same like now. If you click on the text title or the detail, it works. Just the video itself has the problem here. I don't want a video, I want an image of the video. To do exactly the same happens when I share up an image. Let's click on this link, see what happens. Oh, not this. 1 second, please. See. Let's click on it. There we go. See, it has a problem sometimes when I click on it. If it's a video, it shouldn't do that. Like what should happen, like the image, if I click on the text or the title or the image itself, it always takes me as if I click on the link here. Image has no problem, only video. Click on the link here. You see, it takes me back to that specific page. So this is the third thing, no more, no less. So the first thing is the one static index page to be responsive in a nice way in mobiles. The second one is to correct the fetching method, which is very simple. One line, like just change to put in your method, and the one that you already use here on the site. The third one is that this video thing. In image it works perfect. In video it has some